Hello, I have an employee table here with an employee ID and another which contains a performance review for a given employee. So for example, this employee has got 3 reviews done for him by the management. We want to bring this in without doing a join in SQL. So let's get moving on this. The first thing we do is we create a new report. Okay, comments. Same way, train DB. Let's get our basic information from employee table first. No, I just want employee ID, first name, last name. Let's say I also want his resignation, his role. Okay, click on OK, click next, click all. Now here I do want the information to be grouped by employee ID. Okay, let's get everything inside. Click on train, save, and simple report. Okay. Now let's get the second table in. Okay, click on plus, ADO query 1, select star from, the table name is employee underscore performance, where employee ID is equal to employee ID. Okay, click OK, and you will see that the this table has been loaded. Okay. Now to start passing this, again we click on ADO query 1, okay, and we say the master is number 1 ADO query, correct. After this we will create a variable. Click on this fx, okay, click on this, then click on the fx button, and a new variable has been formed, right. So let's say emp id is what we create here, okay, and we drag employee ID here. Okay, so from ADO query 1 we got the employee ID now. Click on OK, then again click it back, and we'll have to change this query. Yes, what did I call it? EMP ID? EMP ID. Okay, click OK, I'll verify EMP ID, yes, and then again we come back to parameters. Okay, and now we pass this parameter to this variable by again clicking this, coming on variables. So now we have essentially passed this value into this. Okay, click on OK, click on save, go back to page. Okay, and now since we want multiple values from performance to come back in a report, we click on add band, and now we want details. Okay, and in details we will say we want the ADO query 1. Okay, we move it up. Okay, and now let's say we move, we're looking at the review date and the feedback and the review, right. So we were at review date, okay, and we want the review. Let's make it big. Okay, click on save, and let's try. Perfect. So multiple reviews have started. Okay, based on what we have learned earlier, if we make it stretched quickly, this will allow my things to go faster. And if I click on the data and come back down and say stretch mode, actual height, click on save, and here we have multiple lookups. So this is very useful for bills of material. We want to do a report like that, so this is what we will do. Okay, click on save, done.